Hey everyone, this is LT6. I can simplify equations with fractions or decimals. This is a challenge video, so if at any point you get confused on this one, you can go back and watch the first video on this topic. I'll have the link in the description below. Okay, so this is the same problem as the first video, so in the first video we would have multiplied by 4 times 2 times 6, 4 times 2 times 6, 4 times 2 times 6. Because we divided by 4, divide by 2, divide by 6. And so the idea in this video is I'm going to teach you a different method. We'll still get the same answer, but it just makes it so your numbers don't get so big. So let me erase these numbers. So instead of just multiplying by whatever's in the denominator, we're going to use the LCM for this. Remember, the LCM is the lowest common multiple, so that means the lowest multiple that all three of these numbers have in common. So let me list out their multiples, and then we'll find out which one is the lowest. 4, 6, 8. Okay, so it looks like the lowest one they all have in common is 12. So because that's my LCM, I'm going to multiply every term by 12. So I have times 12, times 12, and times 12. So the idea of multiplying by this number up here is that I want to reduce this fraction and get rid of the denominator. So I can divide 4 and 12 by 4. So it's kind of like I'm reducing. So 4 divided by 4 is 1. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Here I can divide both of these by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is 1. 12 divided by 2 is 6. Here I can divide both these by 6. So 6 divided by 6 is 1. 12 divided by 6 is 2. And now I just want to multiply what's left over like I would in Fraction Busters. So I have 3 times x plus, I would do 6 times 3, which is 18, bring down my equal sign, and then 2 times 1 is 2. And so now I'm just going to solve it like I would a normal two-step equation. So here I have plus 18, so the opposite is subtracting 18, have my 0 pair. Then I have 3x equals negative 16, and remember, because this is multiplying, we want to divide. And so x is going to equal negative 5 and 1/3, or that's the same thing as negative 5.3 repeating. So notice that we got the same answer that we did in the other Fraction Busters video, but this is just going to be a different method to use that you might like.